Babe, you done with that coffee yet?
No. That's right, folks. I got a package that I have been waiting weeks for, and we're gonna open it up together. My name is Stephanie Canada, folks. For those of us just meeting for the first time, yes indeed, that is my last name. And no, I don't live there. If you enjoy vintage, sewing, and sarcasm, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you never miss an upload from me. Now, despite that super cringe intro, that's right, folks. My pure goal in life is to find random, obscure pattern things and open them up on camera. In today's version, we are looking at a 1940s Italian set. I don't actually know. These are all the photos that I got from the listing, so while there's a little bit of detail, there's not too much. But there was enough detail for me to know I want it. So let's just go ahead and dive into Obscure Pattern Town. And no, I don't just, hack at it with a knife. Also, because these are really old patterns that I've never actually seen before, so you and I are gonna get to see these for the first time together because I don't actually know what this brand is. Oh, and they packaged it really well. Crap. Carefully. Oh my god, that's not even a seam. So this is why YouTubers hack at it with knives. Oh my god.
Do you need a butcher knife?
No! Old paper. 80-year-old paper does not get opened with butcher knives. Ah. I want to know what's in you! What is that? That's what I see right now. Oh, I'm nervous because this, oh God, what is happening? Jesus, mother forkin' Christ. Okay, I mean, good on you for packaging it well. At least it didn't get damaged in transit, I think. I'm more concerned about the sheer amount of, oh, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Ha ha, there. There it is. Okay. Tasty. Okay, I use saran wrap too, but I don't use the sticky kind. This is that sticky kind that, like, makes me very nervous for the paper that's in here. Because this paper is supposed to be from 1940. So, it's 80 years old. Let's not maybe destroy it right before it gets to me. That would be great! Alright, now, here we go. And what are we looking at? For those of you that are curious, I did live in Italy just long enough to be dangerous with the language. Oh my god, that's cool. Wow. Okay, but no measurements. So if there's no measurements, I'm assuming... Yes! How to do it out of someone else's pants for a baby. Yeah. Although somebody definitely colored that in at some point, but I don't care. Oh. that's cool. Look at that. Okay, so that's clear. This is very cool. Ooh, now that's fun. Check out those sleeves. All right, so I'm really hoping at this point that there are actual pattern pieces, because I thought there would be measurements in here and I don't see them, which makes me wonder if this other packet has the actual thing. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so cool. All right, so these are all the manuals. Oh, speak of the freaking, what is this? What is this? This is a tiny version? I am confused. Oh, look at that. So you get the back and the front, and it's old glue, and oh boy, that feels just tasty. So this is definitely a sewing manual or school in Italian. Wow, look at all those collars. This is very cool. Clearly owned by somebody named Valeria.
That's Valeria, darling.
Okay, and so you have another one of the how to adjust pieces. Oh, now this one actually doesn't have anything on it. There's no tape, there's no glue. So this one's actually ready to sort of be used. Whereas this one here, she's done her adjustments to and her practice on. Or is this the bodice? So this would be the skirt portion and this would be the bodice. Oh, turn, I want to show that page. I want to show that page. Oh, so I can tell this has gotten wet at some point. I can feel the moisture on it, and you can see here where there's rust happening. That's okay, we can make it work, but look at that. Hello friends, Editing Stephanie here. Just wanted to touch on something really quick. The booklet that I'm actually looking at, I realized after the fact, is actually a booklet on how to make a uniform for Mussolini's army. So I didn't realize this at the time, and unfortunately when I did realize it, the camera was off and everything was not ready for that moment. But be advised that this, according to my Italian friends that I have worked with, is actually quite common for this time frame, so my apologies for not addressing this a little bit earlier, but just so you're aware of what you're looking at. Okay, back to me being completely clueless. Saharan? This might be Italian even above me, but thankfully I know native speakers, so I'm not too concerned about it. We'll do a couple more of these. Oof. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god, what is this? What is happening? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, we have pins and mildew. Excellent. Oh, look at that. Now that is one heck of a dress. I am distinctly hoping in this larger packet there are pattern pieces so I can try and attempt to make something like this. From Italian instructions, that should go well. Okay, now this one is interesting. Because this actually looks like a pattern. So in here... Oh boy, okay. Gentle. Oh yeah. These are pattern pieces. Heck yeah! Although, dear God, what size is this? Criminal. Is this still like a half scale? Because that is the world's... Oh, it's on the wrong direction. Yeah, it was probably factory folded. It was going to get unfolded anyway. It's fine. Look at that. That is the world's tiniest sleeve. Holy mercy. This must still be a half scale. But there's nothing about size. All right, well, I'm going to leave it in here with its friends. Ooh, look at that. August 1942, when they are still very much embroiled in war. So that was also part of the reason I really wanted to get this, is because of the timeline of this piece. The pieces that I could see, the only date I saw in the entire listing was 1940. So yeah, if there's a sewing manual from that time frame in Italian, I kind of want to see what it is. Just because of how things were going at that point. Okay, let's see what the other one has to offer. Be advised, do not use scissors around old paper unless you know exactly what you're doing or are willing to deal with the ramifications of what happens if you cut it. Hold it far away from the paper. There we go. Now we're gonna hopefully not destroy things. Oh my.
Cook them with butter.
God, that is... Lordy, this is torched. Oh my. Okay. Now these are pattern pieces. Oh God, I'm gonna have to put them back together. Oh God, I didn't think about that. Oh, here's hoping they're color coded. Okay, what am I looking at here? Some type of front side panel is what this is. Open! Open! Okay, yeah, that's a side front panel. You can see a dart there. This is a tiny size. So either these are for a girl's size, or it could just be like half scale, third scale. Not sure yet. But I'm gonna try and put all the colors of the tissue in the same piles, so that way I can hopefully figure out what the heck I'm looking at here.
Whee, okay. You're like two different colors that you were tucked together, so do I trust you? No, but we'll go with it.
But needless to say, putting this back together again is going to be a minor pain in the ass. Okay, this just looks like sketches. Oh, she labeled it. Camicette. I probably am pronouncing that wrong.
Camicette.
Oh, and she did full scale for this one. Okay, great, love that. So this one is a full scale-ish. I mean, Lord, she was tiny. I think she probably drafted this from those booklets. Oh my God. All right, random things in English. Paragon Needlecraft. Oh, we have another one. Oh, here we go. Oh, they had a kit at some point. So this is why I always say to make sure that if there's acid, if there's old cardboard attached to something, you get rid of it because of that right there. That is the acid leaching into these instructions from not only the tape situation, but also from this very old cardboard that is highly acidic. This is all well and good. Don't put acid next to your cardboard. Oh my God, look at that. This is what I saw. So this is what I saw in the photos. This is what really intrigued me. So this is a pair of high-waisted trousers from the 1st of April in 1940. Although I don't know what the fork I'm looking at because, I mean, you can see she took a dart really poorly there. But if this is all together, I'll be very surprised. We'll do a couple more and then we'll wrap it all up.
So this is clearly more. This is more the training stuff, the down to the small format. And then, what are you? I want you. Oh yeah, what are you?
I guess what we would know now is culottes. And see here, at least it has measurements, so that way if you want to upsize or downsize, you at least know where to start. Oh my gosh, look at you. December 1935. Holy cow. I don't know what piece I'm looking at. This might just be the sleeve, which is sad, because I would definitely, oh God, I hope the rest of this blouse is in here. Okay, we have something slightly different. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that pretty 1941. Ooh, I don't know what this blue crap is though. Good night. What happened to you? Poor thing never had a chance.
That's a nightgown.
All right, now, okay, these are more her instructions. I saw some of this stuff. Oh, it's gonna be a nightmare to figure out, and I highly doubt that I have everything. But I do hope that I can at least put this together enough to figure out what went where. Ooh, oh my God. Ah, camicia di uomo. Da uomo, my bad. Oh my God, that's crispy. Holy shit. Okay, yeah, so she fully drew this out on some type of paper. Oh God, that's huge. Wow. Yeah, that's full scale. Wow. This is so cool. It's supposed to fold out? Yes, it is. Oh. Man. Yep, so she did all of her drawings. Man, this paper is so old. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. So a lot of this stuff isn't gonna be super useful, unfortunately. I mainly bought it for the manuals so that I could see what these are, what we're looking at. It was just a happy circumstance that it also happens to come with patterns. Well, folks, I'm sort of in awe, actually. I am confused still a little as to what I actually purchased. A lot of it looks like her handwritten things that she would then try and suss out from the instructions. So I'm wondering if this was a class. I'm not sure at this point, but I do know that it's very, very cool. I'm very glad I found it because I have never, ever seen something like this. It is far from complete, as I can clearly tell. And it's gonna take me a hot second to piece things back together. And unfortunately, a lot of the pieces that you saw are so fragile that I don't even feel comfortable opening them up again as far as the paper goes. The tissue has a little bit more give to it, but the paper is just this side of falling apart. If you've ever found fun, weird things like this, either in sewing or other things that you're interested in, please let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear about them, all of your weird finds, because this is definitely one of the weirder ones for me, especially to find it in the US. If you enjoyed this video, please do click that like button down below, making sure to subscribe so you can see other random fun things I find in Sewing World, and just in general, all the sarcasm that comes out of my face. Thanks so much for watching, folks. We'll see y'all next time. If you enjoy vintage, sewing, and sarcasm, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can see future uploads from me, including this one. That's dumb. They're already watching this. Hopefully. Shot. Ow. Ow. P.S. That adhesive works. Ow. Seriously. What the f did they do?
This is a family-friendly channel. We use pork.
Yeah, about that. What am I looking at? Gross, 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 gross. That might need to go in the freezer for a hot second so I'm not spreading mold spores everywhere. If you've ever found something weird, sewing fun things like this, that's not a sentence. If you enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Click the like button. Click.